So my name is Jaylene Camacho Flores. My nickname is Nenas. That's what my family calls me. So today I'm going to be making Nickelodeon slime. If you have this and you don't know how to use it, well, I'm going to show you. So this is what it is. There are 2 bowls. I'm using 1 bowl because it's just me. And this is what it comes with. A bowl, of course. That's how are you going to make the slime, right? A spoon, which is already kind of dirty because I made some. And a container, like this one. I'll show you my slime later. But I don't have any more, so I'm just using an egg from Easter. It comes with this measuring cup. So, as you can kind of see, I already put in some glue to 15 mil from the instructions. It also comes with the glue, of course, activator, and the paint. And you will need water from your house, or just grab a cup or something. And let me show you the slime I made. It's really sticky, but it's also nice and fun and really, really stretchy. So I actually put this slime to my window, which is where my room's one end of my room, and then another part connected to my door, and it was with a different type of slime, a gold color, but something happened to it and I'm not sure what, so I can't show you, but it went from this door was closed, and all the way there to my window, and it measured like my whole entire room. And if you're wondering what my background is, well, take a look. There's Spider-Man, kind of hard to see. Bowser, another one. This one I made, this one my brother made. You may see Snow White. I colored, and Princess Jasmine over there. And then Cinderella, she's coming off the wall because she's not thick. So hold on. There. Cinderella, looking beautiful. This is just a little sign I kind of made. So, yeah. So today, and now we're gonna get started. So I already got my glue. Oh, and I forgot one thing. It comes with sticks. Mine might have fell. Actually, they're in my box, I think. This one. Open it. It has my sticks. It comes with a couple of sticks, like around 7 sticks. 7 sticks? I'm not sure. Oh, I forgot. You get 2 clear glue bottles, so I might need that out. I need a stick so I can mix it. The spoon is actually so you could scoop out the color. You can pick any color. I might be doing a gold. So let's get started. Take your spoon out of your bowl. Get your stick. Pour in your glue. And here 5 mil. And then get your stick. Kind of do this to it. Make sure all the glue is out. And so, because we will be needing this later. Stick. Yeah.
I'm here. I'm Vegeta.
Oh, and if you hear some other noises, that is not me, that is my brother. He is streaming on Mixer. You should go check him out. It is Goku Kakarot.
It's not. It's Dragon Ball Z Kakarot.
Dragon Ball Z Kakarot. Sorry, I don't really like play the game. And where he streams is on Mixer again. And Jogo Bonito 1718. Okay, so now that the glue's in here, it's hard to see because it's clear. Might need to add just a little more, just in case. I'm using my small one. Squeeze it out. Close. And then you're gonna get your water bottle. Mine's full. And then you're gonna measure it to 25 mil. I see the crouch. So I can check. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So it's kind of hard. 25 mil. If you have your own, you know what I'm talking about. So, yeah. There. Did I even put in the... Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I messed up, guys. I accidentally added the water, but you're supposed to... Before you add in the water, you're supposed to get your, like, color that you want. Try to mix it. Don't do the same mistake I did. Sorry. Accidentally did that. So my slime is gonna be like a clear type of gold unless I get a lot of this color. No! Mine went on the blue lid. If I can't do it, I might have to restart and probably do a different color. So yeah. Kind of like wipe my fingers. It's okay, I'm gonna wash my hands later. This is so sticky. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We can do this. Alright. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure the color's nice and blended. I'm using both my hands, the spoon and the stick. Mix, mix, mix. And if you have, yeah. Okay, when you think it's ready, you can add that activator that makes it turn into the slime. I'm only adding 5 milliliters because that's how much you put in. If it doesn't work, add a little more. Mine's almost empty, so I need to start using a little bit. And start mixing again. Oh my god, I can see the slime. Let me put my spoon away. Do you guys see this? Looks like slime, right? And in the bowl, you don't have to, but if you want glitter, like I do, you can open it up. I've used it. You could put it in here in the bowl, or when it's like nice and more like slime, and when it's in its kind of like container, you could do that. But I'm doing it in the bowl because I won't make such a big mess. Whoa, look at this, guys. This is my slime. It's very sticky. You have to like start playing with it.
Oh.
Looks like I don't have to make another one. Oh, it's very, very sticky. Ah! Super sticky. Get off, get off, get off. Oh my god. It's super sticky. You might want to do this in the sink, just in case it might fall. But I'm a like professional. I'm basically a professional at this because I've done it a couple times. I made it for my brother, the one that is streaming. So.
I'm afraid I can't let you die just yet. I still have a lot to ask you.
And put it in the bowl.
No, that isn't. That's why I want to destroy the ships.
Yeah. Super messy.
To a traitor like you. Once you're fully conscious, you're going to tell me where you've hidden the Dragon Ball.
No, don't just escape it now, okay? Just escape. That's supposed to die, you man.
So yeah. Very sticky.
Hey
Yeah.
now!
Oh my god, this is so
I'm glad to
sticky.
see you're safe today. Grand Elder Guru is aware of your situation. You two may enter. Grand Elder Guru will see you now.
Start doing this because look, just like roll it like this. It might help. If it doesn't work, just try to take it off with your fingers. It's really hard.
My gratitude.
Don't take off the stick because it might make a mess.
Really did too much.
It pains me that most of my children on this planet have fallen victim to such vile invaders.
This one is working, except it keeps getting apart.
The very symbols
You have to
of the Namekian
play.
could cause
If you think it's ready, try putting it on your table
Cutting straight to the chase.
or wherever you're at.
You can borrow the one that you got right there. Look,
Just
I
like-
won't let the bad guys get their hands on it. I promise.
I'd like him to have it as well. If the Earthlings get the Dragon Balls, they can wish for theirs to return to Earth.
what? There are Dragon Balls on
So,
Earth
yeah.
as well. Is
Mm,
or
no,
was
no,
the
no,
Namekian there?
Yeah. We're
So,
never hearing about one coming to Earth in order to flee some sort of crisis. Here
let's
on
see.
Namek.
He must have been
Oh,
cut.
it's very sticky.
Hopefully, I'm surprised the child was able to survive the journey. If memory serves me, he was a gifted member of the Dragon Clan.
Ew.
The creators
Oh my god, this is crazy.
But how is it he met his end? Did
So-
he die of natural causes?
This is why you might need to do it in the sink. Okay?
By
Oh.
someone here on Namek, a Saiyan named Vegeta.
Grab it
Young
with my hand.
Earthling, please step forward. I would like to look into your past.
Huh? My past.
You're okay?
But my goodness, he split himself in two to combat the evil in his own heart. How foolish. To reduce such extraordinary potential is such a waste. If he had remained as one, he might not have met with
Okay.
such a horrible fate.
Try playing with it
S1?
What?
on my like table.
Kami and Piccolo rejoin. Piccolo will get his power back?
Very well.
I heard
I can
this
see
like
that
type
your
of tip. If it's super sticky, you might need a little more activator or water. Okay, if it's like glue, like mine kind of is, then you might need to have a friend or something, or maybe have to go wash up for your on your hands. Then maybe you could. I don't know.
As strong as you are, I feel that might prove impossible.
This is so annoying.
The Dragon Balls
Look at my stick, it's all covered in just like slime.
Well, I guess we'll
Nice
just have to do what
slime.
we can. I'll keep the Dragon Ball, and I'll guard it with my life.
I appreciate it. I must say, you seem to possess a great deal of strength for an Earthling. But much of it lies dormant and unrealized. How unfortunate.
Get off!
Allow me to release
Takes a while for it to get off.
inside you.
get off
What are you talking about?
of
There's no way
me.
I'm hiding any more power.
So,
I'm already pushing myself.
actually, I have sad news, which I don't want to happen. There might have to be a part 2 on my channel, where it's like more like slime. And it might be on the same day once I like controller or a different day.
If I brought a friend of mine here to see you, I bet he's got more untapped power than me hidden inside of him.
Yes, please bring him here. We could use another ally in the fight for justice.
Okay, I'll be right back with him. Now, wait here, Dende. I'm gonna go get Gohan, okay?
All right. Be careful.
It's starting to come off a little.
Killing.
My table's already dirty.
No. You hear that, puppy? Now it's got the table dirty.
Hey.
But it's really easy for it to get off if you do this. Super fun.
It's heading straight for us. Do you think it's Krillin on his way back? I bet it is. But
I picked up.
what about this one?
Ah, look at the stick. It's attached to me.
The ones that freeze a guy.
Does it love me? I'm just kidding.
Here's this one.
It's just
all by
very
itself.
sticky.
Wait, that's the village we heard Vegeta was attacking, right? But Vegeta isn't there. I don't sense his energy anywhere near it. Oh, I think I get it. He attacked the village, but he didn't find the Dragon Ball. Let me borrow the radar, Bulma.
No,
I
no,
will go
Gohan.
find that Dragon Ball.
Don't do it, Gohan.
Here we go. Hey! Actually, thank you so much.
Go for it, go for it.
Perfect. Now's my chance. Not sensing any scary energy in the area. That's good.
It's all over me, you guys. So there's gonna like be a part 2.
Super confused.
Hope not. Let me crouch down. Like look, so it's a big mess. Guys, there's gonna have to be a part 2 of the slime.
Ooh,
Before I
nice.
wash up and come back and try again. And if it starts working, I'll record. But I'm gonna try to get as much of slime off me so
Wow.
it doesn't go in the sink.
I'm broke. Yeah, I'm broke.
So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean this. Just gonna stick. No, the glitter! Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. I am literally like stuck. Blah, 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 blah.
I think I can handle this.
Alright, bye for now. I'm gonna stop the video. So bye everyone. I'm gonna go wash up. I might come back, do a part. If it's nice and not like sticky, then I'll do a part 2. So subscribe and hit the bell notification for a part 2. Alright, bye.